Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 4 in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am your maths teacher. So now we will start lesson number 5, factors and multiplies. So now today we will start exercise 5.6 question number A. But before starting our exercise, first we will see what you had learned in the last classes. So what you had learned in the last classes, first you learned multiplies, then next is the property of multiplies. How many property of multiplies? 5 property of multiplies. Then next is the odd and even number. What is odd and even number? Then factor. What is the factor? A factor of number divide the number without leaving a remainder. A factor of number divide the number without leaving a remainder. Then next is the factor tree. This is the diagram of factor trees. Then prime number and composite number. What is the prime number and what is the composite number? A number which have only two factors, one and itself number is called prime number. And what is the composite number? A number which have only two have a more than two factors are called composite number. Then after property of factors. How many property of factors? 4 property of factors. Then twins prime number. What is the twins prime number? Two prime number which have a difference by 2 are called twins prime number. Then next is the common factors, and then after highest common factor HCF. So HCF means highest common factor is normally written as HCF. It is also called greatest common divisor GCD. Then co-prime number. Two number which have only one as the common factors are called co-prime. Two number which have only one common factor are called co-prime number. ऐसे टू नंबर जिसका सिर्फ क्या है कॉमन फैक्टर 1 है उसको हम बोलते हैं को प्राइम नंबर. देन नेक्स्ट इज द लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीप्लाइज LCM. लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीप्लाई LCM. Smallest of these common multiplies 12. It is the lowest common multiply of 3 and 4. लोवेस्ट मतलब अगर 2 नंबर लिए हैं उसके मल्टीप्लाइज करने के बाद जो सबसे छोटा नंबर कॉमन नंबर आता है उसको बोलते हैं हम LCM. Then now we will start our exercise 5.6 question number A. Find the first two common multiplies of the number in each pair. हमें क्या करना है, ये दो नंबर के मल्टीप्लाइज के 2 कॉमन मल्टीप्लाइज निकालना है. ओके, सो नाउ वी स्टार्ट आवर एक्सरसाइज. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज द 6, 8. क्या है, 6 and 8 है. द मल्टीप्लाइज ऑफ 6 आर. 6 के मल्टीप्लाइज क्या है, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66 अप टू सो ऑन. क्या किया है हमने, 6 को 1 के साथ, 2 के साथ, 3 के बाद 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ऐसे क्या किया हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया. तो हमें क्या मिले, 6 के मल्टीप्लाइज में. नाउ द मल्टीप्लाइज ऑफ 8 आर. 8 के मल्टीप्लाइज क्या है, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. So now we want the only 2 common multiplies. हमें कितने चाहिए, 2 common multiplies चाहिए. The 2 common multiplies of 6 and 8. So what is the common? 6, 8 common? No. 12, 16, no. 18, no. 24 is common, yes, so 24 is common. 30, 32, 40, no. Then 42, no. 40 is common, yes, 40 is the common. So what is the two common multiplies? 24 and 48. This is the common multiplies of 6 and 8. Now example number 2. So what is the example number 2? 3 and 7. So now we will take out the multiplies. The multiplies of 3 are, 3 के multiplies क्या है? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45 and so on. Then multiplies of 7. The multiplies of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70 and so on. So now we want the टू कॉमन मल्टीप्लाइज. हमें कितने कॉमन मल्टीप्लाइज निकालना है? टू कॉमन मल्टीप्लाइज निकालना है. सो क्या क्या कॉमन है? 3 कॉमन है? नहीं. 6 कॉमन है? नो. 9, नो. 12, नो. 15, नो. 18, नो. 21, yes, 21 is the common. 24, no. 27, no. 30, no. 33, no. 36, no. 39, no. 42, yes, 42 is the common. 42 क्या है? कॉमन है. सो क्या है इसमें? टू कॉमन मल्टीप्लाइज. 21 एंड 42 is the common multiplies 3 and 7. Now example number 3, 8 and 10. The multiplies of 8 are, 8 के क्या multiplies है? 8, 16, 24, 40, 48, 56, 64, 77, 80, 88 and so on. Then the multiplies of 10. 10 की क्या multiplies है? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 up to so on. Now we will take out the common multiplies. 8 is common, no. 16, no. 24, no. 40 is common, yes, 40 is the common. 48, no. 56, no. 64, no. 72, no. 80, yes, 80 is the common. So what is the common multiply? The two common multiplies of 8 and 10s are क्या है? 40 and 80. क्या है? 40 and 80. Now example number 4. 9, 6. Which number? 9 and 6. The multiplies of 9 are, 9 के क्या multiplies है? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 up to etc. So on. The multiplies of 6 are, 6 के कौन से multiplies है? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. Now we want common multiplies. 9 is common, no. 18 is common, yes, 18 is the common. 27 is common, no. 36 is common, yes, 36 is the common. So which is the two common multiplies? 18 and 36 is the common. The two common multiplies of 9 and 6 are the 18 and 36. Now example number 5. So what is the example number 5? 12 and 10. So the multiplies of 12 are, 12 के कौन से multiplies है? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on. Now 10 multiplies. द मल्टीप्लाइज ऑफ 10 आर 10 के कौन से मल्टीप्लाइज है 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 and so on. Now we want the common multiplies. 12 common, no. 24, no. 36, no. 48, no. 60 is common, yes, 60 is the common. 72, no. 84, no. 96, no. 108, no. 120, yes, 120 is the common. So which is the two common multiply? 60 and 120. The two common multiplies of 12 and 10s are 60 and 120. Now example number 6, 12 and 24. The multiplies of 12 are 12 के कौन से multiplies है 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and 120. Now and then so on. The multiplies of 24. 24 के क्या multiplies है 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144 and so on. Now we want two common multiplies. 12 is common, no. 24 common, yes, 24 is the common number. 36 common, no. 40 is common, yes, 48 is the common. So which is the two common multiply? The two common multiplies of 12 and 24 are 24 and 48. कौन से दो कॉमन है 24 and 48. Now from example number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, this is the homework for you. ये क्या है आपको होमवर्क है फ्रॉम 7 से लेकर 12 तक एंड दिस इज राइट इन यूअर नोटबुक. कहाँ पे लिखना है आपको नोटबुक में लिखना है. ओके देन क्वेश्चन नंबर बी वी विल बी सॉल्व इन आवर नेक्स्ट पीरियड. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.